Are you ready to find your dream home? It all starts with setting a perfect budget. The problem many home buyers face is not knowing how much they can afford to spend. Without clear budget, it's challenging to make informed decisions and avoid financial stress. But worry not. Our simple solution will help you determine your budget with confidence. And here are 3 easy steps to get started. Number 1. Evaluate your financial situation and take a close look at your income and expenses or any existing debt. So this will give you clear understanding of how much you can allocate toward a new home. 2. Factor in additional costs. Consider expenses such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance when calculating your budget. It is crucial to have a realistic picture of overall cost involved. 3. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Consult with a trusted lender or real estate agent who can assess your financial situation and provide you with pre-approval letter. This will give you a clear idea of the loan amount you qualify for and help you refine your budget. So, whether you are the first-time home buyer or looking to upgrade, take the first step toward your dream home today. Determine your budget and make informed decisions with confidence. And start by evaluating your financial situation and factoring in additional costs and getting pre-approved for mortgage. So don't let your dream home remain just a dream. Take action now and turn it into a reality. And also, if you want to buy or sell or invest in real estate, reach out to me. And also, if you want to learn how to analyze properties and buy your first rental, give me a follow and join my live on TikTok Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. Central Time. Until next time.